Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make jalapeno chili pickle. Start with fresh, firm jalapenos, about 1 pound, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them well under cool water, then carefully slice them into uniform 1/4 inch rounds. This consistent size helps with even pickling. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids. This crucial step ensures a safe and long-lasting pickle. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a non-reactive pot, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. This balance of sweet and salty enhances the jalapeno's natural heat. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring all the salt and sugar dissolve completely. Carefully pack your sliced jalapenos tightly into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of space from the rim. Then, pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, ensuring they are fully submerged, maintaining that 1/2 inch headspace. Use a clean utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and secure the lids tightly for proper sealing. Once sealed, let the jars cool completely at room temperature. As they cool, you'll hear the satisfying pop of the lids, indicating a proper seal. Store your delicious jalapeno pickle in a cool, dark pantry. For the best flavor development, wait at least 2 weeks before opening and enjoying. These pickles are a fantastic addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.